be learning how to launch things. So this is the set that I'm going to learn. Do you want to go along with the vent show with me? So yeah, so first of all, the grab. So we've got a launcher. We've got some rubber bands we have. So because your ones won't come like this. So I've played with this before. So you have to like put the rubber bands between these two pieces and then it'll make it work. Like look, so can you see how we've got bands there? So you'll have to grab some bands. How many you need? I've only got 3. These are like spares. So you'll grab it. I think you'll go like difficult to figure this out. That's why we're going to go along this adventure together. I think you're like meant to like put it underneath you are, and then you're meant to like stretch it across to the other side. Do you get that, crafters? Okay. So let me just take that piece off there. So pause the video if you want to do that with all of them. So should we get on?
Let's go.
So first of all, we've got to grab our launcher, and we're going to put that at the beginning of your track. So you put your track wherever. I'm going to put mine here, so you guys can still see it. And grab this, and then we're going to grab one of these. So we want the open side to be going like through here, I think. So then, when you press this down, when you press this down, and it's going to put the closed side in like that, okay? Even though it might look right, it's not right. You've got to put this side in, okay? Have you got that? So.
Squish that down a bit.
So you've got to squash it down. That, you see, it's difficult setting it up. I'm really on the first bit. Oops. So you don't press this part, you press this part down when you try to like keep it down. I've forgotten to say something. So like with these, you can like give them a certain angle if you want to have a quick look. So look, I've made mine have like a certain angle. Can you see how all of a sudden it goes like into like an angle and then it goes like around? So yeah, so I'm doing mine of a pattern here. I am. So you guys can carry on. You see, they went everywhere.